Hey guys! Today I'm going to be talking about what I think is the most underrated side hustle that you can do from home. I'm talking about Twitch. It's a streaming platform that's popular with gamers, but anyone can use it to share their hobby with the world. So today I'll be breaking down how you can make money on Twitch and the basics of setting up your stream. So let's get started. So let's talk more about how exactly you can make money on Twitch. On Twitch, you can live stream yourself doing your favorite hobbies, like DJing, making arts and crafts, cooking, singing, or even just chatting with your followers. Unlike other social media platforms where you have to have thousands of followers to make any money, Twitch only requires 50 followers to start monetizing your channel. You'll also need an average of 3 viewers and have streamed at least 500 minutes over 7 different days. I know a few people that have started streaming just this past year and are already making some real money from ads and subscriptions. But you don't need to worry about tracking those metrics because Twitch will do it for you. And at the end of your stream, they'll send you an email to let you know how much closer you are to becoming what is called a Twitch affiliate. So once you become a Twitch affiliate, there are 3 main ways for you to earn money on Twitch. The first is from ad revenue. These are the ads that play before a user can watch your live stream. Now, ad revenue might add up to a few dollars here and there, but the real money will come in with subscriptions. So the second way that you can monetize your channel is through subscriptions. Now, a basic subscription costs users $4.99 per month, and this gives users access to your channel ad-free. In addition, subscribers can also rewatch previous streams, get access to exclusive chat emojis, and as an additional incentive, you can make your chat subscriber only. So that means only subscribers will be able to interact with you while you're live streaming. There are also Tier 2 and Tier 3 subscriptions that are available at a higher price point of $9.99 and $24.99 as well that unlock additional emojis, features, and icons. For monthly subscriptions, you'll get to keep about half of that. So for a basic $4.99 subscription, you'll end up keeping about $2.50 per month. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, other users can gift other followers subscriptions to your channel. Now you're probably thinking, why would someone buy someone else a subscription to your channel? I was thinking the same thing too, but I have honestly been gifted several subscriptions to channels, so it happens more often than you would think. So the third source of income is called bits. Now these are kind of like tips that people can send you directly in your chat while you are live streaming. So they can use it to maybe highlight their chat or just to kind of praise you for doing something good. 1 bit is equivalent to about 1 penny. And if a user sends you 100 bits, that means that you've earned $1. Another cool feature in Twitch is called the hype train. Now, the hype train automatically kicks off when you get a spike of support in the form of subscriptions and bits, and it gets users excited to kind of join the hype train and keep it going by subscribing, sending you bits, or even gifting subscriptions. So it's super exciting while you're streaming. It's exciting for the users, and it also unlocks exclusive emojis for those who choose to join the hype train. So as your money starts adding up, it will be automatically deposited into your bank account the month after you've made at least $100. Now that you know how to make money on Twitch, let's go through the basics of setting up your stream. This can honestly be the most intimidating part as a beginner, but you can just start simple with a webcam and an internet connection, and you can then build up little by little as you get more comfortable. If you plan on streaming from a mobile device, you can just download the Twitch app, log in, go to your profile, and then click on Go Live to start streaming instantly. If you're streaming from a computer, you'll need to download Streamlabs OBS. This will allow you to customize the look and feel of your stream, and what's great about it is there's tons of free templates to get you started. Once you've chosen an initial setup, then you can focus on making your stream as fancy as you want it to be. You can add external microphones, additional cameras, you can add a green screen behind you. The possibilities are endless. Your setup will all depend on what you plan on streaming, of course. But I will say that if you plan on streaming an external gaming device, such as an Xbox, you'll likely need to purchase an Elgato device that links into your Xbox and your computer, and it allows you to stream your game real time. In any case, the good news is that once you've completed your initial setup and you're happy with it, then you're good to go. You don't need to make any changes to it unless you want to. Now that you have your stream set up, you'll need to build an audience. The best way to build your viewers and subscribers is to support other channels. Through other channels, you'll meet other followers with similar interests, and you'll start becoming a part of a community. As others start watching your stream, make sure to shout them out and engage with the chat. Recognize them for subscribing or for sending you bits. If you plan on following a streaming schedule, let your viewers know. And also promote your most loyal viewers into moderators so that they can play a bigger role in managing your stream. Once you're done streaming, be sure to raid your favorite channels. This will show them your support, but also let your followers find other channels that they might enjoy. So overall, to build an audience, just support others and build relationships along the way. Don't focus on how many followers you have. Just focus on building a community about what you're passionate about. And soon enough, you'll be making money just by sharing your favorite hobby with the world. All right, so now that you know how to make money streaming on Twitch, I hope you'll give this side hustle a try. Have fun with the process. And if you do start a channel, I would love it if you would comment your channel name below so that we can support each other. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.